Hello and welcome to the channel. If you sell on platforms such as Poshmark or eBay, you're in luck. Today we'll look at the percent sell-through rate for leggings and athletic pants selling on eBay at $20 and up. We'll cover 40 popular brands, starting with the lowest percent sell-through rate and working our way up to the #1 fastest selling brand. Keep an eye out for your favorites to see how they rank on this list. PRANA. Sell-through rate is 7%. White House Black Market. Sell-through rate is 8%. ZELLA. Sell-through rate is 9%. Express. Sell-through rate is 9.5%. ADIDAS. Sell-through rate is 10%. Soft Surroundings. Sell-through rate is 10%. Free People Movement. Sell-through rate is 10%. Victoria's Secret Pink. Sell-through rate is 11%. Fabletics. Sell-through rate is 12%. Kalia. Sell-through rate is 12.5%. ATHLETA. Sell-through rate is 14%. Under Armour. Sell-through rate is 14%. Nike. Sell-through rate is 15%. Spiritual Gangster. Sell-through rate is 17%. The North Face. Sell-through rate is 18%. Gymshark. Sell-through rate is 19%. Aerie. Sell-through rate is 21.5%. Sweaty Betty. Sell-through rate is 22%. Beyond Yoga. Sell-through rate is 23%. Torrid. Sell-through rate is 23.5%. We've made it to the top 20. Carbon 38. Sell-through rate is 26%. Here's a close-up. This one is nylon and lycra. Looks like it's a little shiny. Cabby. Sell-through rate is 27%. Here's the tag on the inside. This one is rayon and nylon with some spandex. J. Jill. Sell-through rate is 30%. This is a pant legging. And this one is viscose rayon, nylon, spandex. Lisi. Sell-through rate is 30%. Here's a close-up of the logo. This one is mostly cotton with a little bit of elastane. ALO. Sell-through rate is 31%. This is a yoga brand, and it's mostly polyester and spandex. Lululemon. Sell-through rate is 32%. This brand is hard to spot because they usually have the logo very small. Black Milk. 34%. Here's a close-up. This one is mostly polyester with some elastane. It's a really nice pattern. It's a galaxy. Patagonia. Sell-through rate is 38%. This is more of an activewear pants. Here's the logo on the inside. This one's also polyester with some elastane. I really like this marbling too. It's really pretty. Lily Pulitzer. Sell-through rate is 45%. This one has a beautiful floral print. SPANX. Sell-through rate is 49%. Here's the inside printed label. And this one's 94% nylon with some spandex. And SPANX is by Sarah Blakely. We've made it to our top 10. CWX. Sell-through rate is 73%. Here's the logo. This one's polyester and spandex. Nice ribbon pattern. K-Deer. Sell-through rate is 80%. I did take a closer look at this brand. I went to the website and it turns out this brand was discontinued in August of 2022. And so there aren't a whole lot of these available, and that is why the sell-through rate is so high. Here's a close-up of the tag. So it has the antlers, made in USA, nylon and spandex. Commando. Sell-through rate is 115%. I noticed many of these were faux leather. Here's a close-up of the inside label. So this is polyester, polyurethane. There's some nylon. This is also made in the USA. Johnny Was. Sell-through rate is 123%. Looks like this one's mostly cotton with some lycra. Trim is polyester. We'll get a better look at the tag. ARCTERYX. Sell-through rate is 124%. Here's the logo. I noticed this one sold for $55, and it actually wasn't even perfect. It had some dirt over here. NVGTN. Sell-through rate is 153%. Here's a close-up of the logo. And the inside, it says 85% nylon and a little bit of spandex. Icebreaker. Sell-through rate is 221%. Here's the inside tag. This is kind of an activewear, outerwear brand. It's meant for cold weather. Here's the band. Vuori. Sell-through rate is 265%. Here's the tag. Here's the label on the outside. SMARTWOOL. Sell-through rate is 457%. Has a logo on the outside of a little man. And here's the inside tag. This is 100% merino wool. And our #1 fastest selling brand is CARHARTT. The utility leggings sell very quickly. Sell-through rate is 554%. Here's the inside label with the CARHARTT logo. And these pants are nylon and spandex. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!